All right, guys, here's another BG perspective. As always, leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload.
Okay, if you guys know anything about the viral Korean collagen anti-aging lifting face masks, then you know that you need to wear them until they dissolve fully into your skin. I've had mine on for about an hour, and I will continue wearing it throughout the night and check back in before bed. Alright guys, I'm back like 5 hours later, so here are the results of the mask. My skin is so hydrated. This was insane. I highly recommend this. They're currently restocked and they're on flash sale, so you get 4 for $20. You need this. Korean skincare is where it's at. Look at how plump my skin is.
2025 Glow Up Series, day 14. This is for the girlies who need better sleep and better mood. Start drinking magnesium. I am not super strict on sugar, so I add a little bit of the pomegranate juice from Costco. I love the pomegranate taste. Fresh lemon, magnesium powder. This one I got on iHerb.com. That's where I get all my supplements and vitamins. 1 full scoop. Oh, forgot the water. It might make some clumps, so I start stirring it right away. It's like making a potion. Sleep potion, if you will. I like to drink this about an hour before I go to bed. 2025 Glow Up Series, day 14. This is for the girlies who need better sleep and better mood. Start drinking magnesium. I am not super strict on sugar, so I add a little bit of the pomegranate juice from Costco. I love the pomegranate taste. Fresh lemon, magnesium powder. This one I got on iHerb.com. That's where I get all my supplements and vitamins.
There are only 74 days left until 2025, so here are a couple realistic things that you can do in order to glow up before the new year. Number 1 is to start walking 10,000 steps every single day. You guys, I cannot emphasize the importance of this. Not only will your stomach be on flat, you will no longer experience bloating after every meal. Your legs are going to look so much more toned. Your booty is going to be nice and perky. It's going to help increase your energy levels. It's going to increase your metabolism. Like, you are overall going to mentally and physically feel at your best when you start incorporating those 10,000 steps into your routine. Number 2 is stop entertaining dusty, musty, crusty people. I'm talking about friends that are no longer your friends. I'm talking about people in your life that can't appreciate you, love you, and support you, or even check in on you. I'm talking about boys in your life that are literally so dusty, crusty, musty, and can't even give you the bare minimum. You are not going to allow these people to cloud who you are as a person and stop you from progressing forward. The circle that you have in your life, the types of friends that you have around you, are going to make and break everything that you do in this lifetime. A lot of people hate to see other people happy, so one thing that you need to do is get rid of these types of people out of your life. Number 3 is to start eating more whole foods and less processed foods. You guys don't realize that the amount of salt, sugar, artificial flavoring, coloring, preservatives that are in these processed foods that you wouldn't even think that there is so incredibly damaging to your body, to your energy levels, and to your physical appearance too. Don't get me wrong, I'm not somebody that believes in restricting because I don't think it's healthy. I don't think it's necessary. However, I do think that you need to be a little bit more in tune with your body and how you feel, and consume foods or like follow a dietary lifestyle that is going to work best for you. Me, following a Mediterranean/carnivore diet has worked incredible for me for the last couple of months, and I've noticed a huge difference in my skin, in my physical appearance, in my mood, in my energy levels, and so much more. Number 4 is taking vitamins and supplements that are going to enhance your overall health and wellness. Unfortunately, because our foods lack a lot of minerals and vitamins, it is important that you take supplements that are going to overall boost your health and wellness. I also have tons of recommendations that I've been doing for the last couple of years on my page, but if you need me to go into specifics, let me know and I'll make a separate video. Number 5 is to start getting in the gym. You guys, I cannot emphasize the importance of getting your ass in the gym. Looks are currency. The way that you look, the way that you take care of yourself, the things that you eat, everything starts from within first. If you are not taking care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, you are not going to attract the right types of people into your life. You're not going to attract the right type of opportunities into your life. And you guys have to understand that I know that this world is super shallow and a lot of people are like, looks aren't everything, but looks are everything. You start to physically feel your best, you will also start to move and do things a lot differently. Trust me when I tell you this, a lot of people think that like pretty privilege has to come from like your certain like facial structures or the way that you look, but it's literally the way that you take care of yourself, your demeanor, how confident you are. All of these things always exude from within first. Last but not least, stop overcomplicating this glow up journey. You do not have to do a billion different things to figure out what works best for you. Start exercising, start eating better, remove toxic people out of your life who aren't helping you grow and be better. Take your supplements, work on yourself, literally do everything in your power to be better and to do better.
Last night, I made my very first Invest in Yourself list, and I tweeted about it, and it started going viral a little bit of people just saying that this is such a good idea, but what exactly is an Invest in Yourself list and how do you make one? So first, I started this year feeling like I just wanted to look expensive. Like I just wanted to look like a girl that was regularly taking care of herself, because I feel like those girls always have a look. But for me, I knew there were certain like beauty treatments and hair treatments and wellness experiences that I wanted to make sure I was having regularly. So last night I made a list of all of these things and how often I want to be doing each one. So first, my Invest in Yourself list starts with a few treatments that I'm already doing. So it's simple as like, how often do I want to get my nails done? How often do I want to get my eyebrows done? How often do I want to get pedicures? And then I added things to the list that I'm currently not doing. Like I want to be able to get a full body massage at least once a month. I want to be able to start getting facials at least once a month. I want to be going to the spa, like a really fancy spa, at least once a quarter. And then I also started adding things about my hair, because this is also the first year that I have been consistent with trims to the point that it's on my calendar. Every time I go get a trim, my stylist just books the next appointment and then I'm going to get a trim. So I also made a list of how often I want to be taking care of my hair, how often I want to get protein treatments, how often I want to deep condition, how often I want to go to an actual salon to get my hair styled and not just like do a DIY style at home. I also have a section for my wardrobe. I recently have just been revamping my style completely and donating and giving away a bunch of clothes that I just feel like no longer serve me and the future me that I'm trying to become. So I put how often I want to shop, how often I want to add to my wardrobe, which right now is like once a month. And then quarterly, I also want to start buying name brand, more high-end quality pieces. And quarterly is what I can afford right now. So that's why I put it that way. I also have a section for travel. I want to be able to travel internationally at least twice a year. I want to be able to travel domestically at least twice a year. I also have a section for the supplements that I want to take. Some of them I'm already taking, simple like magnesium, a multivitamin, but I want to make sure I'm taking this certain brand of probiotics and vitamin D and all of these things to help with energy and fertility and skin and all of those things. So this is a glimpse of what my list looks like in Notion. So again, starting with my beauty care, then I have my hair care. I also have like bigger beauty treatments like laser hair removal, which I started this year. Highly recommend. Take some time, write down whatever it is that you feel like you want to be doing regularly as your future self, and then just start crossing these things off one by one.
Now, what do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love seeing your feedback and reading about your own experiences too. It really helps others and allows us all to learn more. So, if you're into diving deeper into topics that matter and sparking your curiosity and keeping it real every step of the way, hit that subscribe button because you're in the right place. Now, let's get back to the perspectives.
If you're trying to have the biggest glow up the world's ever seen, I'm about to show you every single thing that you need to do. And this is going to be the physical glow up because we already covered mental. That has to come first. And in case y'all don't believe what I'm about to tell y'all, this is what I used to look like. So yeah. In these videos, I feel like I always hear the same thing, but I'm about to show you really how you can enhance your features and glow up your entire face. So today we're going to talk about the face. In order to have that facial glow up, first things first, you have to understand your face and know what face shape you have. Okay, so here are the different face shapes. screenshot this, or you can look at your own diagram or whatever. It just helps me to see like what celebrities, like actual faces, to kind of compare my own. But find out what face shape you have. Then do your research, like find out what hairstyles work for you. Look at different celebrities. They have people literally doing stuff for them, like figuring out what colors work best for them, what hair works best, everything. So look at celebrities who have the same face shape as you, and then you'll kind of start to figure it out from there. Once you figure out your hair and your head shape, then you're going to start to try and figure out your eye shape. This is going to be so crucial to the lashes that you wear and just things like that. So figure out your eye shape and then do things that match your eye shape as well. This is just a quick Google search of the different eye shapes. It might take some trial and error. So the next one is clearing up your skin. And I always like to back my advice up with proof, because I want to show you that this stuff actually works. Like, I know what I'm talking about. This used to be my skin, yeah. And this is my skin like a year later yesterday. The reason why I broke out so bad was because I started having a 10,000 step skincare routine, started doing Korean skincare, and my skin broke out so bad. I promise you do not need all that for your face. Like, stop listening to these people trying to sell y'all things on TikTok. Just have a simple moisturizer, cleanser, sunscreen. That's all you need, and then your skin is going to start to clear up on its own. The next thing that's going to ensure a glow up for you is a lymphatic draining massage every night. If you ever wondered how Bella Hadid and how all these models and stuff have such cut jawlines and cut cheekbones and everything, it's through this lymphatic draining massage. Like, honestly, it changed my face completely, and I can show y'all a video on how exactly I do it. It's basically gua shaing, except you use your fingers and your hands. Yeah, this literally changed my face shape so much. It's recommend 10 out of 10. Number 4, another thing that's going to help your face shape is drinking your water. Your body is 80% water, so it only makes sense that you need to replenish that water, or else your body's going to start using it from different places, and that's going to cause like swelling in your stomach and in your face too. So start drinking your water. It also just makes your skin clear. It also makes, you know, you look more glowy and stuff like that. And honestly, I used to struggle with drinking water, but I have this big gallon of water that I fill up, and it kind of just helps keep you accountable. It has like timestamps on it and everything. It's actually my Amazon storefront. This or any type of like gallon water bottle, get that, start drinking your water. You're gonna see a difference in your skin, your weight, your mood. Everything is just like gonna be so much better when you start drinking water. And back to the looking healthy, another thing you can do to glow up is having a bright and nice white smile. Having white teeth can literally make your face. The way that you can get your teeth white is you can either use like Crest whitening strips. That's what I use like 2 times a year. Or you can oil pull every single morning. If you don't know what oil pulling is, it's basically taking coconut oil for 15 minutes every single day and just swishing it around in your mouth in the morning. Yeah, this makes such a difference. Like, oh my gosh, if y'all want white teeth, do it. Start off with maybe like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then slowly through time you'll work your way up, and you can just make your bed while you know, swish it around in your mouth. Another thing you can do for white teeth is, I don't drink anything that's not out of a straw. Like, get you a little metal straw, whatever. Anytime you have coffee, anytime you have anything, just drink everything with a straw, because that way it won't get on your teeth. The next one is experimenting. In order to have a glow up, you're gonna have to have stages where you don't look so cute, because that's how you're gonna know what doesn't work and what works for you. But don't be scared to experiment. If you see somebody who looks similar to you, try what they have going on. If it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't work, but you tried it, and now you know, and you're one step closer to getting that perfect makeup routine or perfect wardrobe or perfect hair color or whatever. And the last and final glow up tip that I have, I kind of already touched on it in my other video, but just kind of being a kinder and nicer person. When you're happier and you glow from the inside, you're gonna glow on the outside too, and your face is gonna just be happier. If you just are kind and have, like, you know, a nice caring spirit, that's gonna show on your face. So yeah, those are the physical, like, facial glow up tips that I have and what I did to help me. If you want more glow up tips, just let me know. I'm planning on doing a hygiene glow up video, like I was saying. I also want to do a body glow up, an inside body glow up, what you can do to like glow up on the inside, like take vitamins, apple cider vinegar, things like that. So yeah, I came a long way, and I want to share all of my tips with y'all, because y'all deserve to have the biggest glow up. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Happy glowing. Love you. Bye.
brows balding faster than your ex's hairline? Well, I have a solution for you because this brow pen is about to change your life. I've worked with so many prestigious brow brands, and trust me, this iMethod curved brow pen is the real deal. Watch me transform my brows in under 90 seconds. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So when I was sent this brow pen, I was a little skeptical. I'm not going to lie, just because in my makeup bag, I have every single brow product you can think of, from a powder, pencil, pomade. I have not tried a pen yet. So with this pen, I was just like, let's see. Well, I'm showing you. When I first applied it to my brow, I was just in utter disbelief just because how realistic it looked. And for the ones who know me and the ones who do not know me, I have a very successful brow bar. I've been doing brows for so long, so I've been in the brow game for a little minute, and my whole motto has been integrity. So I will never come and show something that I would not use on myself first or my clients. Because once someone trusts you with their brows, trust me, they trust you with their entire life. Hands down, this is one of the best products I have tried on my brows in a very, very long time. And I am not just saying that. I really believe if you guys do not add this to your makeup bag, you're going to regret it. They're currently having a flash sale, so click the link below to take advantage of the savings. Another thing I'm obsessed about this pen is that it is smudge proof. Oh my God, y'all, it does not move. Try it, buy it, and trust me, add it to your cart. This pen comes in a variety of colors: light brown, brown, dark brown, black brown, and black. I used dark brown today. Hope you guys enjoyed.
There are only 3.5 months left of 2024, so here's how you're going to become the hottest version of yourself before January 1st. Take notes. Number 1, 2 words: hair gloss. Girlies are doing it. You can do it at home. You can go do it at the salon. Honestly, doing it at home is way cheaper and you get pretty much the same exact results. That's neither here nor there. Hair gloss. It'll make your hair shinier, healthier. You guys know how I feel about hair. If your hair's not done, then you might as well stay home. Also, to elaborate more on that, because every time I say your hair needs to be done at all times, everybody's like, oh my God. I literally just mean to brush it, okay? Like my hair right now, does it look like it's perfect and amazing and gorgeous? No. Does it look like I at least spent a couple minutes on it? Yes. Wearing it down or like in a low maintenance style, like in a slick back pony, a slick back bun, is totally fine. I just mean having it look presentable at all times is important, okay? Don't come outside with a rat's nest. Argue with somebody else, please. On the same note, having your nails done at all times is one of the most underrated things in the entire world. Even sometimes I slack on this. Truly, it makes all the difference. You see how I'm talking with my hands? Imagine I had crazy looking fingernails. And again, I'm not saying you have to do anything crazy and go get a full set of acrylics every 2 weeks. Press-ons are a girl's best friends, and so is gel polish. There are so many things that you can do at home to just make your nails look a little more manicured, even like a little clear coat over top of your natural nails. I personally think that is so pretty. I love a very like neutral, demure looking nail. Clean them up a little bit with the file, slap some clear coat on there, you're ready to go. Probiotics. You guys know I love a vitamin, I love a supplement, I love a gummy vitamin. Prenatal vitamins will make your hair, your nails, and your skin just glow from within. These are ones you have to stay consistent with, and I would definitely ask your doctor before taking them, but I have literally heard so many people having their doctor recommend it to them, including myself. You take them and you're not pregnant, you don't have a baby sucking all the life and vitamins out of you, so it's just like a super multivitamin. My hair is the thickest and the longest it's ever been. I know it looks kind of short. Okay, she shrinks. Prenatal vitamins and also a probiotic. I take the Lemme Purr. I know everybody's up in arms about Lemme. It works for me. If it doesn't work for you, that's okay. Find one that does work for you. I love it. Okay. Anyways, this is very long and you guys have very short attention spans. So come back for the next part. Bye. There are 3.5 months left in 2024, so here's how you're going to glow up before January 1st. Part 2. No matter what scent family you usually gravitate towards, smelling good is always, always, always important. A good hygiene routine, a good body care routine will literally make you feel so much better about yourself. And when you feel better about yourself and you feel more confident, you automatically are going to glow. So smelling good. Cheat code. Another good cheat code is matching sets, and I feel like we've kind of moved on from those a little bit, and I don't know why. If you don't know what to wear, at the end of the day, throw on a matching set and you will look 20,000 million times more put together. I think that goes for a lot of things. Matching your toes and your nails, matching your purse with your shoes, matching your shirt with your shoes. A little matchy-matchy never hurt anybody, and it's just going to make you look a lot more put together. Another thing is having a good mix between chunky and dainty jewelry. I'm a big dainty jewelry girl, but I love to throw in like a bigger earring or a chunky ring just to kind of mix it up a little bit, and I think chunky jewelry is so chic. I see girlies wearing it, I'm like, oh my God, like she knows what she's talking about. Said it 1,000 times, I'm going to say it 1,000 times more. The 2/3 rule: hair, makeup, outfit. 2 out of 3 need to be looking good, great, even. Never leave your hair out. Your hair should never not be done. Make a whole separate video on that. I always tell you guys to make sure you're getting 10,000 steps a day, but I know this is kind of hard if you don't have a bunch of time. A good way to start off is doing a 30-minute walk in the morning and a 30-minute walk in the evening. If you have time in the afternoon, you can do it then too, but then you have to shower and like get ready, and that's just doing too much. Splitting them up like this instead of doing like an hour of walking or an hour and a half of walking is so much easier. I found that it's really helped me get those 8,000 to 10,000 steps. Anyways, this is really long, so come back for part 3. Bye.
So that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And as always, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.